BMW Group and Valeo are taking their long-existing relationship to the next level with a new partnership, after the major announcement of their collaboration for ADAS domain controller, sensors, and software for parking and maneuvering. For BMW's upcoming platform generation Neue Klasse, the BMW Group and Valeo announced their cooperation for the co-development of fully automated parking technologies, up to level 4, fully automated driving parking, with no supervision needed by the driver. In January, both companies signed an agreement for a strategic cooperation, which will focus on joint development of next-generation high-end parking user experience for customers on private grounds and parking facilities. Infrastructure-based services will also be jointly developed to experience fully automated parking and charging in enabled public parking facilities and sites.